Black lives they matter here. Black lives they matter here. Black lives they matter here.
No Trump, no KKK, no fascist USA. No Trump, no KKK, no fascist USA. We'll walk hand in hand. We'll walk hand in hand.
Not like that.
Stop protecting his racist ass! Stop protecting his
Stand up for your own race. You're a bunch of losers. Cocks. We call you cocks. You're a cock. You sell out your own people. You're a cock. You won't even stand up for your own race. Oh, yeah? No, you get out. We're here for the white race. This is our country. This is our country. It's not yours. You're sellouts. You're a sellout. You're a weenie too. Blacks have never won anything in their whole history.
Racists go home! Racists go home!
This gathering has been declared to be an unlawful assembly. In the name of the Commonwealth, you are commanded to immediately disperse. If you do not disperse immediately, you will be arrested.
Leave him alone, man!
In the name of the Commonwealth, you are commanded to immediately disperse. If you do not disperse, you will be arrested.
Push you.
They're not doing nothing.